Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram Reels video. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you can see that I'm on the Instagram homepage. Now from the bottom board at the fourth place there is a button for Instagram Reels. Here are all the reels you can see from this button. So just let me assume that I wanna download this video. Now at the right portion you can see there are four options like a hearts option, then a comment option, then a share option. Click on it. There it is. You can see at the bottom board there are many options, but at the second place you can see a button copy link. Click on this. So your link has been copied. Now go to your browser and search for Instagram.com. Okay, I repeat, it should be Instagram.com. This link will lead you to this interface. So this is our desired website. You have to paste the link here and you have to click the download button just below it. Now you can see there are two buttons that has been appeared, download and download mirror 2. Click on the download. Here it is. You can see that it is written the file has been downloaded. You have to click open. That's how easily the real video of Instagram can be downloaded using this website. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.